Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, yes, 2 uploads in a week. Who am I? Who is she? I know, I took like 3 weeks off because I just mentally needed that break, and then boom, 2 uploads in a week. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, showing you guys the brand new Makeup by Mario brand, honey. A brand new brand. So I have the PR kit here. It's super cute. It's kind of like a little briefcase, or it's like a little fashion show backstage kit. That's the vibe I get from it. Like, you're backstage in New York Fashion Week. Boom. Okay, and you have everything you need right here. All right, so you guys, there's a lot of products up in here, okay? He is not playing. So when I first saw the packaging, let me just show you, online, I was like, oh, that's super cute. It's very like sleek, clean cut, modern. I like it. The packaging has like that smooth finish to it, so if you are to get makeup on it, it'll wipe right off, which I love, because white packaging can be tricky, because y'all know it gets dirty and sometimes you're like, it's not coming off. Okay, I just have to, let me just show y'all all this that's going on here. So when I first saw this collection, I was like, oh, okay, I don't know. And then I started swatching, honey, okay? And I was like, oh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. I feel like just looking at it, I was like, you know, but when you swatch it, there's so much pigment. These down here are actually eye shimmers. They're called highlighters, so you can use them anywhere on the face, but they're like toppers for the eyes to give that extra shimmer, sparkle. And then there's also a clear, kind of like a face gloss to use right here, which a lot of professional makeup artists use. He has his brushes. These, first I thought these were concealers, and I was like, this is not enough shades, honey. But these are actually eye primers. So you can either go lighter, mix the shades, do whatever. There's 2 cream colors and 1 powder. And then we have an eye brightener to use in the waterline, which I rarely do because I don't need my eyes looking bigger than they are, okay? A liquid eyeliner, and then 2 pencil liners, which they're so smooth and creamy. So the Makeup by Mario brand is giving me MAC Makeup Forever. It's giving me those artistry brands. And I feel like if this came out pre-COVID, this would be like a very much like highly requested backstage. Like, all the designers would want this backstage. Okay, let me talk about this real quick. Okay, so these are 5 eyeshadows. There's like a little tray. I don't know if you guys can see it because the camera, but there's like a little tray here. So this is like it's called a manipulator. So it's like a mixing medium, and you could pour a little bit here, dip your brush into it, dip it into the shadow, and you're gonna get intense color. All right, so he's launching the brushes, the prep and set, eye prep, the highlighters, the 2 pencil liners, a liquid liner, and then the 2 shadows. I actually really love the idea of having a matte shadow palette. It has a lot of warm colors, neutral colors. It kind of has a little bit of everything. And then he also has a frosty metallic palette with pretty much just everything. I love this blue. It's so unique and pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try all this. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying as many products as possible, as much as possible. I'm gonna start with my foundation already on because he hasn't watched the foundation yet. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all, you ready? Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. You ready? Is you ready? What is that from, the NBA? I watch too much sports with Les. I feel like that's either NBA or football, something, I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Prep and Set in Deep. I don't think I'm gonna use a powder because I'm just not much of a powder all over the eye type of person, but I'm gonna use EF1, the flat brush. Just dip in here. You can mix those shades, but I'm just gonna use the lighter color. I like my, oh, I forgot to take the little mirror protector off. I like my base to be a little bit lighter, so that's why I'm not gonna mix. Just gonna put this all over. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, okay. All right, next I'm gonna use the Master Matte palette. Look at that. Ooh, what shade should I even go for? So all the names are on the back here, and they're all called matte 1 through 12. I think I'm just gonna kind of dive in with this that same brush, just the other side. We're gonna use this shade here. I kind of like starting light and building. Let's see. Ooh, oh, she is neutral. All right, I'm gonna switch to the EF2 brush, right? Yeah, EF2, it's a little bit smaller. And I'm just gonna dip into this lighter brown and kind of blend out this crease. Okay, so far you guys can see that the colors are very neutral in the crease. Neutral shades are very good for like photography, that professional look. You guys know a lot of times I do warm browns, but when it comes to like professional photography, whatnot, you definitely need these neutrals. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go a little bit darker with the black and then add the lid color, just because I just wanna dabble in everything and see what's going on. So this is E5 brush. Let's see about the pigment here. And I'm just gonna press this on the outer corner. Also, there's no fallout yet, which I'm just like pretty impressed by this, honestly. I think mainly because when I first saw it, I was like, I don't know. But yeah, this is definitely impressive. Very much like an artistry, professional brand, you know? Black in the crease, no fallout. All right, now I'm gonna blend this black out with E3. Ooh, okay, let's put the lid color on. What should we do? So I wanna try out the palette, of course, and I wanna try out the Manipulator, just because you guys deserve to see me try this. So I think what I'm gonna do is maybe put one of these colors on first, this palette on first, and then top it off with the Manipulator, just because I want to see how it performs. Oh wait, no, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the green, and then we'll put the yellow on the inside. Boom, boom. I even like how this looks by itself. Like, you guys know I love my matte. So I'm gonna grab this green right here with the E4 brush. Kind of dig in there a little bit. I almost feel like I could put these shadows on with my finger. Let's see how the brush does. Ooh, okay. Ooh, oh, I have so much to say about this. I just feel like I'm kind of like pleasantly surprised. I'm just feeling this. I am really feeling this. And these brushes are pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna use this little spatula, and I'm just gonna, well, I kind of already did it, but just kind of drag it down the shadow to get just a little bit of color off. I'm gonna place it in this little tray here, and then we're gonna get the Manipulator, put one drop in. I'm gonna just start with one drop. I'm gonna grab the smallest E5 brush and just see what happens with one drop. If I need more liquid, I can always just add it. So this is kind of what it looks like. The product definitely mixed very well with that Manipulator. I keep wanting to say something else. Yeah, manipulate. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit right. Ooh! I was not expecting that. Oh! Wait, you guys. Wait. Whoa. Wait a minute. I was skeptical of the Manipulator. I was like, I'm not even gonna use that. No. Ooh, do you guys see how bright that is? That's this color. Wow. Okay. Okay, Makeup by Mario. Ooh. Wait, are my edges still here? Are they here? Okay. I thought they fell on the floor. I thought they were on the floor for a second there. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Master Crystal Reflector highlighter in Citrine. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit just to see, just to test it out for you guys. I mean, this already by itself, like, I love this, but let's just press to see if there's like a little, oh yeah, look at the sparkle. Adds a little bit of sparkle. Oh yeah. So no sparkle, sparkle. You can see there's like a subtle sparkle here. Like, you guys know there aren't a lot of brands or products that wow me, but that little Manipulator, honey, that thing wowed me. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the matte palette, and I think I'm just gonna dip into this like dark brown here and smudge it under the lash line. I was gonna do black, but I don't want it to look harsh, so we're just gonna do this deep brown here. All right, I'm gonna line with the liquid liner. It's just called Super Black. We're gonna wing it, might as well. I feel like the eyes deserve a wing. Whenever I apply liner, I just like to press it against the eyelid kind of flat, so I'm not using the pointed end, and just kind of drag it. So press and drag so that you can get like a straight line, a straight controlled line, and then use the tip to wing it out. Ooh, I am missing something. Okay, I'm gonna line my bottom lash line with the Perfect Brown pencil. So this pencil, when I swatched it, just, oh, it was so smooth. It's definitely like a warm chocolate brown, which I love for the inside of my eye because I feel like it makes my eye really stand out. Like, look at that. You can see like the warmth in the brown. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eyes with Rokael Beauty Solar Flare lashes. These are so wispy, so pretty. These are like my favorite lash right now. I absolutely love them. They're always sold out, but I talked to him recently and he said they're gonna restock. So you guys will be able to get them very soon. I always cut just the end off. Always look down when you're applying lashes and use tweezers to get them as close to the lash line as possible. All right, I'm gonna let my lashes dry a little bit and I'm gonna apply the Smashbox Halo Golden Bronze Highlight, which I love this highlight. I'm also gonna add the Makeup by Mario, that clear highlight over it just to see, you know, what it does, just to see some things. Just a little bit of highlight here. I'm all just a little bit, it's a lot. All right, now I'm gonna just dip into my ColourPop Whistle While You Work blush. This has been out of stock forever, but I just can't resist. I love this color so much. It's like just the right amount of color. All right, let's add some Kvd Lash Primer. I love this lash primer, mainly because it's a darker shade. And it really does make your lashes just thicker and longer at the bottom. Well, top and bottom, but I only use it at the bottom. Listen, I'm gonna be using Makeup by Mario eyeshadows, okay? Until I get sick of them. I'm just so pleasantly surprised by this. I didn't swatch the Manipulator or the shadows with the Manipulator, so I didn't think I was gonna be getting all this pigment, honey. Like, she is shook. All right, so I'm gonna finish off the look with Dominique Cosmetics Freckles lipstick. I lined my lips with Makeup Forever Limitless Brown Lip Liner, one of my favorites. And then Artist Couture Uncensored Lip Gloss. Ooh, I was about to finish up the video and I forgot about this. Let me put a little bit of this on. This is called Expensive, okay? I'm just gonna blot it a little bit here. Let's see. I'm like afraid to do too much because I don't want to mess up my makeup. Oh yeah, you see the subtle glow. Subtle glow. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I mean, I feel like you guys can tell by my response and my reaction throughout the video that I am just pleasantly surprised, excited. I mean, Makeup by Mario is such a well-known celebrity makeup artist. Like, I definitely didn't expect less from him, but at the same time, I am very much blown away by this. Like, the pigment in this eyeshadow, the thought that went into this collection, and just the passion. You can tell it wasn't just like, oh, I'm just gonna put a collection together, a brand together real quick. You can just tell that he really thought about everything, and I don't think there's anything that I'm just like not liking. Like, everything performed so well. The eyeshadows performed well. Like, they blended so just effortlessly. They look so soft. The Manipulator, I mean, this right here is just everything. I can't wait to see when he comes out with foundations and lip colors, because I think lips are like another specialty of his. I'm excited about this, you guys. I definitely think it's worth it. I think you guys are gonna really like all of this. If you are more of like an artist and you have time to kind of manipulate the colors and play with the colors, I definitely recommend trying out the Manipulator with that metallic palette, because the pigment is just, it's there. Okay, she is there and she's ready. Makeup by Mario, you did good. Okay, I love everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this. What do you guys think? And last but not least, strut and slay.